Hey, gorgeous wizards! Anastasia here, ready to seduce you on day 44 of Daily AI Wizard's Python for AI series. After CSV Magic in day 43, we're diving into data cleaning with Pandas to make AI datasets shine. Let's code the future, wizards.
Hello, brilliant wizards. I'm Isabella, thrilled to explore Pandas for cleaning missing values, duplicates, and outliers for AI. Our demos will make your data pristine.
Yo, wizards, Ethan's here, dropping spicy pandas code with a wink for Sophia. Cleaning data's gonna be a party, let's polish it up.
Sophia here, Ethan, and I'm blushing. I'm pumped to lead our demos and make clean data sizzle. Let's prep AI datasets.
Victoria here, darlings. I'll sprinkle flirty tips to keep your cleaning hot. Ready, wizards?
Wizards. Clean data is critical for AI. It removes missing values, duplicates, and outliers to ensure accurate models. Our demos will show you how Pandas makes cleaning magical.
Oh, Isabella, clean data's so sexy. It preps your AI datasets to shine like never before. Get ready to polish your data, wizards. Wizards, today we're seducing you with Pandas data cleaning. You'll master missing values, duplicates, outliers, and visualization with spicy demos to make you swoon. Our complex challenge will ignite your AI passion.
Sophia's leading demos with fiery energy, Ethan's dropping hilarious code explanations, and Victoria's adding spicy tips. You'll prep AI data and be ready for day 45's Scikit-learn. Shine on, wizards. Wizards meet your day 44 dream team. Anastasia and I guide you with warmth and clarity, making cleaning fun. Ethan's our code comedian, flirting with Sophia while explaining Pandas.
Oh, Isabella, you're too kind. Sophia's leading demos with passion, Ethan's stealing my heart with code, and Victoria's tossing flirty tips. We're here to make you cleaning superstars. Wizards, data cleaning is your AI data crush, darling. It fixes missing values, removes duplicates, and tames outliers for model-ready data. We'll show its seductive powers in our demos.
Anastasia, you make cleaning sound so hot. How does it help AI, love?
Oh, Victoria, you tease. Cleaning ensures accurate AI models by prepping clean datasets. Try it in our demos, wizards, and feel the sparkle.
Wizards' missing values can ruin AI models. Use df.fill.na to replace them with means or df.drop.na to remove them. Our demos will show how to handle missing data like pros.
Missing data's no match for us, Isabella. df.fill.na makes your dataset sparkle for AI. Get ready to fill in the gaps, wizards.
Yo, wizards, DF. Drop_duplicates is like clearing the dance floor for Sophia. No duplicate data messing up AI. It's a clean party. Let's drop this code beat.
You're clearing my heart, Ethan. Wizards, duplicates ruin AI. Try drop_duplicates in our demo. It's like tidying your data.
Wizards, removing outliers with IQR is like picking the best moves for Sophia, cleaning AI data. Filter with df, df, value, less than Q1 1.5 asterisk IQR, pure swagger.
You're smoothing my data, Ethan. Wizards, outliers skew AI. Try IQR in our demo. It's like pruning your dataset.
Wizards, normalizing with df, value, .min, is like tuning a hot track for Sophia, scaling AI data. It's a norm party.
You're tuning my heart, Ethan. Wizards, normalization preps AI features. Try it in our demo. It's like balancing your data.
Wizards, PLT, scatter, df, normalized, is like a visual serenade for Sophia, showing cleaned AI data. It's a plot party.
You're plotting my heart, Ethan. Wizards, visualizing clean data confirms quality. Try it in our demo. It's like showcasing your data. Wizards, it's demo time, and I'm thrilled to lead 2 complex cleaning demos with Pandas/Matplotlib. We'll clean missing values, duplicates, outliers, and visualize results. Get your Python setup ready, and let's make data shine.
Oh, Sophia, you're making my heart race. Ensure Python, VS Code, Pandas, Matplotlib, and NumPy are set up, wizards, and create cleaningdemo.py and advancedcleaningdemo.py. Ethan and Victoria will spice it up. Let's clean, cuties.
Wizards, let's prep our demos to make them seamless. Open VS Code, create cleaning_demo.py and advanced_cleaning_demo.py, and save them in a Python demo folder. Run pip install pandas matplotlib numpy to ensure libraries are ready.
Sophia, you make setup sound so dreamy. How do wizards install pandas, love?
You're too sweet, Victoria. Run pip install pandas matplotlib numpy in a terminal, and activate your virtual environment with source /bin/activate or /scripts/activate. Let's make these demos sparkle. Wizards, our first demo in cleaning_demo.py cleans a CSV with pandas. We'll handle missing values, remove duplicates, filter outliers, normalize, and visualize. Let's run this and make AI data shine.
Oh, Sophia, you're making this demo hot. df. Filna, and df. Drop_duplicates, clean up, with IQR for outliers. Total data swagger. Let's polish this dataset. Wizards, df, value. Filna, df, value. Mean, fills gaps like a love letter to Sophia. It preps AI data, pure coding magic. I'm dropping this clean beat.
You're filling my heart, Ethan. Wizards, filling missing values ensures AI accuracy. Try it in our demo. It's like patching your data.
Check it, Sophia, df. Drop_duplicates, subset equals, ID, clears duplicates like a smooth move, keeping AI data clean. It's a tidy party.
You're tidying my heart, Ethan. Wizards, removing duplicates preps clean AI data. Try it in our demo. It's like decluttering.
Wizards, df, df, value. Less than Q1 1.5 IQR. Removes outliers like picking the best vibes for Sophia. It ensures AI data quality, pure swagger.
You're smoothing my data, Ethan. Wizards, filtering outliers preps AI models. Try IQR in our demo. It's like pruning your dataset.
Yo, Sophia, df, normalized, equals, df, value, scales data like a hot track, perfect for AI models. It's a norm party.
You're scaling my heart, Ethan. Wizards, normalization ensures AI-ready data. Try it in our demo. It's like balancing your dataset. Wizards, our second demo in advanced_cleaning_demo.py takes cleaning to the next level. We'll interpolate missing values, group duplicates, remove outliers with z-score, normalize, and visualize grouped data. Let's run this and see AI magic.
Sophia, you're making this demo sizzle. df. Interpolate, df. Group by, and z-score clean like a pro, total data swagger. Wizards, df. Interpolate, method equals. Linear, fills missing values like a smooth move for Sophia, interpolating AI data. It's a clean party.
You're interpolating my heart, Ethan. Wizards, interpolation refines AI data. Try it in our demo. It's like smoothing your dataset.
Wizards, df, z_score, less than 3, removes outliers with z-score like a hot pick for Sophia, ensuring AI data quality. It's a z-score bash.
You're z-scoring my heart, Ethan. Wizards, z-score cleaning preps AI models. Try it in our demo. It's like trimming your data.
Check it, Sophia, df. Group by, category.ag, groups data, and np. Log1p, adds log mean, math magic for AI. It's a group party.
You're grouping my affection, Ethan. Wizards, grouping and logging reveal AI insights. Try it in our demo. Wizards, let's run cleaning_demo.py and advanced_cleaning_demo.py. In VS Code's terminal, type Python3 cleaning_demo.py or Python3 advanced_cleaning_demo.py and hit enter. You'll see clean data and visuals, showcasing your AI mastery.
Sophia, you make it sound so tempting. Outputs show clean data frames and plots, pure AI seduction. Run them and share, Wizards.
Wizards, NumPy from day 39 with Pandas is a hot combo for Sophia. Use NP. log1p, df, value, for log scaling, coding fireworks. Let's crank this math jam.
You're sparking my circuits, Ethan. Wizards, NumPy enhances cleaning. Try log in our challenge. It's a math love story.
Wizards, PLT. Scatter, df, id, df, normalized, is like a visual serenade for Sophia, showing cleaned AI data. It's a plot party.
You're plotting my heart, Ethan. Wizards, visualizing clean data confirms quality. Try it in our demo. It's like showcasing your data.
Wizards, Seaburn from day 42 with cleaned data is a sexy duet for Sophia. SNS. Boxplot, shows distributions, coding fireworks. Let's drop this stylish beat.
You're raising my visuals, Ethan. Wizards, Seaborn confirms cleaning. Try it in our challenge. It's a data love triangle.
Wizards clean data effectively with Pandas. Use in-place chart true sparingly. Check data with DF info and document steps. Clean datasets power AI models.
Oh, Isabella, clean code's so sexy. Clear practices make your AI data irresistible. Practice for day 45's Scikit-learn Wizards.
Wizards, wrap day 37's functions with Pandas for AI glory, Sophia. Def clean_data, DF, with Filna, is a love duet, coding magic.
You're harmonizing my heart, Ethan. Wizards, functions make cleaning reusable. Try it in our challenge. It's like dancing with data.
Wizards, mix day 36's control flow with cleaning for AI fireworks, Sophia. Use if to handle missing values, coding magic.
You're sparking joy, Ethan. Wizards, control flow customizes cleaning. Try it in our challenge. It's like dancing with data.
Wizards, cleaning's critical in AI pipelines, darling. Prep datasets with Pandas for accurate models. Your day 44 skills make AI irresistible.
Cleaning ensures quality data for AI pipelines, Wizards. Your skills are ready for real projects. Prep for day 45's Scikit-learn.
Wizards, cleaning day 43's CSV with Pandas is a hot combo for Sophia. Load with PD. Read_CSV, and clean, coding fireworks.
You're cleaning my heart, Ethan. Wizards, clean CSV for AI. Try it in our challenge. It's a data love story.
Wizards optimize cleaning with Pandas. Use copy to avoid modifying originals. Verify with df.isana, sum, and log steps for clarity. Clean code powers AI.
Optimized code's so sexy, Isabella. Clear cleaning makes AI data irresistible. Practice for day 45's Scikit-learn Wizards.
This is thrilling, Wizards. Try df.interpolate, ifgroupby, and pult scatter. Show us your results at DailyAIWizard. It's an AI cleaning spell. Prep for day 45. This is thrilling, Wizards. Try df.interpolate, ifgroupby, and pult scatter. Show us your results at DailyAIWizard. It's an AI cleaning spell. Prep for day 45.
Wizards, you've stolen my heart with your cleaning skills. Your cleaningdemo.py and advancedcleaningdemo.py prove your AI data superstars. Keep flirting with code for day 45's Scikit-learn.
I'm so proud, Wizards. You've mastered cleaning for AI, ensuring model-ready data. Share your AI cleaning.py on our Daily AI Wizard. Subscribe for day 45 and join our Discord or X. Code the future, Wizards.
You nailed cleaning, Wizards. Your data's hot, Sophia. Get hyped for day 45's Scikit-learn. Let's keep this flirty AI party rockin'.
Wizards, you're phenomenal. These demos were a blast, Ethan, and your cleaning skills are fire. Share your AI_cleaning.py and subscribe for day 45. Code the future, Wizards.
You've swept me off my feet, Wizards. Your cleaning skills are pure AI seduction. Let's flirt with Scikit-learn in day 45.